1931 Ford Model A Sedan here. Now we're representing this one and selling it as a project. A gentleman had it that wanted to get it moved, brought it to us for consignment, so representing it for him. It would be a deluxe model according to those cowl lights. Now as far as the engine is free in this. We have had it turned over. Does get spark, does have spark to it, and there is some fresh gas that was put in it. Lines clean down to the carb. So just looking for the next person that wants to spend some time, likes to tinker on Model A's, do a restoration. Here it is. Now if you want to check out the still pictures, there's some extra parts in the back of it that I have pictured up, some parts along the wall over here I'll touch base on when we go by it. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to our website. Get a closer look. And you can always call us 507-386-1726. Does have the inline 4-cylinder. Be an L-head water cooled, I believe 201 cubic inch engine in there. And again, still pictures will show you the interior, everything that is in there. A few of the extra stuff that is going to go with it right here. Looks like we had a muffler. The material for the roof is there. There are some spare tubes. I cannot confirm or deny whether those are going to hold air and be decent or not. Right now all the tires are pumped up on the car. Will hold air. Can be rolled on and off a trailer. Does steer. Everything there. There are pictures of the engine bay, so you'll be able to see the engine. Tranny is in it also. Of course, this is a 3-speed manual transmission. I'll show you the interior. Of course, these had a wooden floor in them. Just kind of get an idea. Like I said, Model A needs a restoration. Somebody wants to bring it back to its glory. Here's some of the extra parts, a couple extra rims, headlights, there's a couple carbs, jacks, some other things that will go with it. Doors latch and close nicely. Look at those old ornate door handles. So like I said, give us a call. Interested in a project Model A? Here it is, 1931 Ford Model A Sedan. Phone number 507-386-1726. uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to our website where you get a look at more pics. And easiest way, give us a call. Discuss it with a sales consultant. Be happy to help you out with this one.